Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. It's ranked 135 on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $220 million. Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $250 million. The last few weeks have seen altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. Kusama have seen double-digit losses. Where are we heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We've seen Kusama gone down by 15% in the last 1 month. The last 1 year has seen it gone down by more than 61%. We'll take a look at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we also look at Kusama's market cap, which sits around $220 million. How high can we pump if we see that alt season we have been talking about come true? Are you still buying more right now? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Don't forget to do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kusama is currently going through its first full crypto bear market. All coins have seen huge dumps to Goblin Town since the end of the bull market in 2021. Even though I've had some pumps here and there, in total, it has been a huge dump to Goblin Town. We saw Kusama getting to as high as over $500 in the previous bull market. And right now in this bear market, we have seen it dump by more than 95%, dropping to as low as $26. Is the bear market bottom in for Kusama, or do we risk dumping further down to Goblin Town? Kusama has hit a critical support level. Hopefully, that level will hold. We saw it start 2023 on a very bright note. We saw Kusama, just like every other altcoin, pumping to higher prices, but we could only get to as high as $48. We got rejected at that $48 region, and even though we have not set new lows, Kusama came down back to $26. And in the coming days and in the coming weeks, if the altcoin market is anything to go by, if the indicators that we have been following through the course of the bear market are going to be right, we should expect to see altcoins pumping to higher prices. The altcoin season index right now is heavily in the Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin season means Bitcoin over the last 90 days have been outperforming altcoins. Bitcoin has given us huge gains while the altcoin market has taken a chill pill. But after Bitcoin season comes that alt season that we always talk about, and alt season is when you see altcoins pumping aggressively to higher prices. It's when you see altcoins giving us those 10% gains. Nope, you see altcoins giving us those 100 and those 200% gains to the upside. And the $48 region is going to be very critical for Kusama in the coming days and the coming weeks. But if we can rally above that $100, if we can rally above that $48 region, another important level to pay close attention to will be at the $111 region. We saw Kusama find temporary support at that level in 2022. But since when we went below it, we have not been able to trade above $100. From where we're currently trading right now, we will need to rally up by more than 300% to get there. And if we're using our Fibonacci retracement to tell us how high Kusama can possibly go in this bear market rally, let's assume everything goes as planned. Remember, guys, you can never predict the future exactly. We're just trying to make our educated guesses. I feel like we'll see it pump above $100, maybe even getting to as high as $161, because according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, at that $161 level, we should see Kusama maybe taking a chill pill. Maybe we'll get rejected at that level. But for us to even get to the $161 level from where we're currently trading, we'll have to rally up by around 500% to the upside. And if you see that rally happening, and we see the altcoin season index showing us alt season, that might be a good time to get some profits off the table. But for you to enjoy all those imaginary profits in the future, you have to accumulate right now deep in the bear market. The market might get very bullish very quickly. Let's take a look at some key details about Kusama, currently trading around the $26 region. Kusama is ranked 135 on CoinMarketCap. Over 266,000 people have Kusama on their watch list. Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $250 million, a total supply of 9.6 million coins. Over 8.4 million of those coins are in circulation. If you want to get some Kusama for yourself deep in the bear market, if you're getting ready for that crypto bull run and you believe we'll see Kusama pumping to higher prices, you can get Kusama on Binance, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, we can easily see Kusama pumping to higher prices And when we start seeing it get above $100, we'll be hearing calls for new bull run. We're going to the moon. Remember not to get carried away, guys. The market will always pump to higher prices. And one thing that is sure, that after it pumps to higher prices, we'll always see it dump to gobbling town. We saw Kusama having his fun time in the bull market, rallying up by more than 5,000% over the course of the bear market. We saw Kusama going up by more than 63,000%. $1,000 invested in Kusama in December of 2020 would have given you more than $639,000. Anything that goes up quickly comes down quickly. And the number one advice I'll give you in this bear market is don't go in all in too quickly. Now, deep in the bear market, we see altcoins down 90%, 95% from their all-time high. You can be very, very tempted to go all in too quickly. That's the number one mistake a lot of investors make in this bear market. You want to dollar cost average into your position. Altcoins can still easily give us a 30, 40, maybe a 50% dump to gobbling town. And if you go all in too quickly, you won't have capital to take advantage of that dumps when it arises. So you want to keep some capital on the side so that peradventure we see that huge dump to the downside, you'll be able to take advantage of those once in a lifetime opportunity. Now, taking a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, yes, it has been nothing to write home about in this bear market. Even though I've been having some little pumps here and there, in general, it has just been a huge dump to gobbling town, losing more than 93% of its value in its first full crypto bear market. It's normal to see altcoins dumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. In bear market, people are scared, and those altcoins have huge pumps in bull markets. So in bear markets, a lot of factors come together which make those altcoins lose value drastically against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. But guys, we are not going to continue dumping forever. At some point in time, these altcoins will have to make a bounce. At some point in time, we're going to see them pump to higher prices. And even though people are scared in the bear market, even though there's extreme fear in the market and people are scared of altcoins, you want to pay attention to altcoins if the altcoin season index is anything to go by. The reason why you see people flipping their altcoins back into Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, a lot of people are scared. And when people are scared, they start running towards safety. And right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are safety. That's what we look at safety in the cryptocurrency market. In bear markets, people find safety in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if you want to go the route where you see altcoins pumping to higher prices, you will have to take that gamble and make those investments right now that were deep in gobbling town. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap sitting at a $220 million level, yes, we have not dropped to new lows in this bear market. The lowest we have seen Kusama going to in this bear market was when the market cap dropped to as low as $185 million. We're still holding those lows. We have not gone below that. In the coming days and the coming weeks, using the Fibonacci retracement tool, how high can Kusama's market cap possibly go? I will not be shocked to see us rally back above $1 billion. A lot of altcoins fell below their $1 billion mark and they have not been able to recover it, Kusama included. In the bull market, we saw Kusama's market cap even get to as high as $5 billion. Right now in the bear market, we're trading around the $200 million region. From where we're currently trading, Kusama's market cap will need to rally up by around 400% for us to get to that $1 billion level. And I'll not be shocked to see us start getting rejected when we get to as high as $1.3 billion. But that will require us rally up by more than 500% to the upside. That will see Kusama going from $26. That will see us getting above $100. That will see us getting even to as close as $161. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating some Kusama right now? How high do you see Kusama going in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.